Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, today I have another friend mail. And so I'm really excited to open it. And I just received it today. And so I want to share with you whatever friend mail I received. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys are having a good weekend. And if I got this right, it is Sunday and it's the end of the weekend almost. But you know what? You have the whole day to enjoy yourself before you start tomorrow, right? And so, as I was saying, I received this friend mail. And it seems like every time I get a friend mail, it's perfect timing. There's a couple of really sad times that I received a really encouraging friend mail, and sometimes I'm a little melancholy and then I receive a friend mail. So, I just really enjoy these things. And yeah, thank you guys so much. Even you guys making a comment in my and the videos, any of the videos, it really just makes my day. And I love to see people, responding and giving me constructive criticism and having very good conversations. So I do appreciate that. But before we go in and look what's in here, we have to do affirmation. And today is You Got This box. And I want to do this one today because it's Sunday, it's the end of the weekend, and you got this, okay? Monday's coming, you got it. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Okay, and we have a beautiful card with flowers, and it's by Paulo Coelho. And there it is. And the card says, remember your dreams and fight for them. That's very simple, and I like it. Remember your dreams and fight for them. And this is a lot to me because I have dreams. I know you all have dreams too. And sometimes we forget that dreams is just the beginning of your goals, right? And so you want them to really come true. But how often do you fight for them? How often do you intentionally do things to go forward to make your dreams come true? I know I'm guilty of that. I have dreams, but sometimes I think, well, it's just a dream. I don't have to work towards it. Why? Because it's not just a dream like you go to sleep and you have a dream, but it is more of a hope that you achieve something or you get something or, whatever it may be, whatever your dream may be, you have to fight for them. And as I said in the past, things just aren't going to land on your lap. Well, it might if you're super lucky, 1 in a billion. But yeah, on a whole, generally, basically speaking, you do have to fight for them. And how do you fight for them? That's what you wonder, right? And I wonder that myself a lot of times is, how do I fight for my dreams? What can I do? And what does fighting mean? And fighting doesn't mean like physical altercations or anything like that. Fighting for my dreams mean that I take the difficult parts of it, I separate it out to doable parts and really fight to get those pieces put together so I'm taking a step towards my dream, right? And also you have to remember, when you have a dream, it's in your heart too, and it has to be. Otherwise, it's not a dream. It's not just something that should be in your head, but it should be something that's in your heart that you really want. And when you put your heart and soul into something and you have that hope that one day you will achieve that dream, you'll get it against so many odds. How many times have you seen these true story movies where it looks like there's no way this person is homeless, and all of a sudden they become, not all of a sudden, but through years of working hard, fighting against the system, day by day, facing failures after failures after failures, yet not giving it up, almost giving it up, but always something there, the hope that says, no, I can do this. And next thing you know, you end up a millionaire. Those things do happen. And there's a really good movie with Will Smith that's about that. I think it's called something about freedom, right? I can't remember, but that's based on a true story, and that inspired me so much. He was homeless here in San Francisco, and then at the end, he became one of the best stockbrokers in New York and became a millionaire. And he did this while, raising a son, right? So, I mean, if you want it bad enough, you can do it. Just fight for it, okay? Alrighty then. Next, I have friend mail, and I didn't flip it this way because it has her address and it has my address on there. So, but I did receive it today. It's from Cindy Smith, and thank you so much, Cindy. And let me see what this is all about. I've been dying to open it all day, but I said, you know what? I gotta video it because I just need to, right? And so let's see. Okay, should I make it too hard for me? She knows I have problems. Okay, let's see. Oh, already I like it. Already I love it. Oh my goodness. Okay, and just let me read the card first. There it is, beautiful. And you have such beautiful handwriting. Mine is like a little, yeah, no, my handwriting isn't good. And, aw, very beautiful card. I like it. Love animal prints. This is, hi Alexis, I saw this and thought of you. Thanks for spreading kindness. Love, Cindy. Aw, that is so kind, Cindy. Like wildflowers. Spread kindness like wildflowers. I so love it. There's another reason why I call you guys wildflowers now, other than being resilient and being beautiful and showing up in the most, unsuspecting places, but spreads kindness, right? Yeah, to other species and other things. Oh, this is so beautiful. And this is a reusable bag. Ooh, I like that. Oh, I can take this to work and put my computer in it. It's very wide bottom. Look at this. And it has pockets, a zipper compartment. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my God, Cindy, I don't know what to say. This is just so very me. It is so very me. And look at these colors. You can use this in a fall, like now, winter, and also pop of spring here. Oh, this is so nice. And especially, we're getting ready to get some rain, and this is like rainproof. This is perfect, and it has a little button so I can shut it. Oh, wow. Thank you so much. I do love it. I truly do love it. And thank you so much for the kind card. And, I really do appreciate you guys from the bottom of my left ventricle, and I mean that. And, a lot of times when I do the giveaway, and I kind of feel bad, even though somebody wins, I feel bad because I know there's other people out there, that I would really love to give. I wish I could give all of you, a package. And hopefully in time everybody will start winning the giveaways. And so yeah, this is so nice. Thank you so very much. And you guys do know I have a giveaway that's going on if you watched my previous videos. And I'm at 825, so also the 850 will be coming up soon. And then I was thinking about doing a special holiday giveaway as well, so that's gonna be coming up too, okay? And even though I don't personally celebrate like Christmas and things like that, but I definitely do celebrate Thanksgiving because that is not a religious holiday, but that's more of a, I guess, a national holiday, right? So yeah, I think I'll do one then. And I want to make that one a special one too. And every time I do put a package in the mail, I try to make it special for you guys. And it's because you guys do so much for me and putting things in the comments, asking questions. And I just had a very good back and forth with a new subscriber actually. And I really appreciate that, people are frank and telling me their opinions. And everybody they have the right to an opinion, and you can't say their opinion is wrong. And I really appreciate that openness and intelligence that it takes to have an intelligent conversation instead of getting into a drag out fight. Is that what they call it? Knockdown drag out fight. And I just don't want that to be my channel, your channel, right? So yeah, I just want to say thank you guys very much. And I really do appreciate you guys. And, you know, if there's anything that I could ever do, my email is at the very bottom of all of my videos. And reach out to say, even just to say hi, okay? So, okay, my beautiful wildflowers. I know this was a short one today, but yeah, I just want you guys to have a good Sunday. And today is also the day that I will have my Wildflower, the women's social that I have at 5 p.m. in my meetup. So I'll be seeing a couple of you there. So yeah, that's it for today. So I'm very touched. And thank you again so much, Cindy, for this. And yeah, this is very appreciated. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button, ringing that bell, and selecting all so you know every time I upload a brand new video. I want you to have a good day, good night, good week, or good weekend. It does not matter when you're watching this. But what does matter, though, is I want you to remember, in a field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.